Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna delicious. First, always start with good quality canned tuna, ideally packed in olive oil for a richer flavor. Next, it's crucial to drain any excess liquid thoroughly. This prevents your tuna from becoming watery and ensures a better texture. Finally, gently flake the tuna with a fork into a bowl. This simple preparation ensures a perfect base for all your delicious additions. Now, let's elevate that flavor. For a creamy base, mix in a few tablespoons of mayonnaise or a healthier option like Greek yogurt. To add a satisfying crunch, finely dice some celery or red onion and fold it in. Don't forget fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives. They bring a wonderful brightness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice also works wonders. Ready for some creative combinations? For a Mediterranean twist, add chopped black olives, capers, and a generous squeeze of lemon juice. If you like a little heat, mix in some sriracha or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Another fantastic option is to combine your tuna with creamy avocado and a bright squeeze of fresh lime. These ideas transform simple tuna into something special. Finally, how to enjoy your delicious creation. Serve your tuna on toasted bread for a classic sandwich or with crackers for a quick snack. For a lighter option, try it in crisp lettuce cups. This versatile dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying light dinner. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.